Did you know that baking soda, a simple and affordable ingredient that you probably have in your kitchen, has powerful uses far beyond baking and cleaning? From easing heartburn and indigestion to boosting athletic performance, baking soda is a super ingredient in the world of natural health. In today's video, we're diving into 5 scientifically supported and surprising ways to use baking soda in your everyday life. If you're on the lookout for natural solutions and prefer to avoid chemicals, then you're in the right place. Stick around until the end. Some of these tricks could change your daily routine. Trick number 1. Natural deodorant. For those of us trying to avoid commercial deodorants packed with chemicals like aluminum, parabens, and artificial fragrances, baking soda can be an excellent natural alternative. Here's how it works. Baking soda is alkaline, meaning it neutralizes acidity on the skin, helping to maintain a balanced pH in the underarm area. This pH balance plays a crucial role in reducing bacteria that contribute to unpleasant odors. The main cause of body odor is bacterial growth, which thrives in moist, acidic environments. By using baking soda, you create an environment that bacteria don't like, helping you stay fresh for up to 24 hours. Research has shown that alkaline substances like baking soda can limit bacterial growth effectively, offering a lasting solution that many commercial deodorants can't provide without heavy-duty chemicals. Plus, it's hypoallergenic for most people, meaning it's less likely to cause skin irritation, making it a great option for sensitive skin. How to apply? After washing and drying your underarms, apply a pinch of baking soda directly to the skin. You can even mix it with a few drops of essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil for added antibacterial and pleasant-smelling properties. Some people also mix baking soda with a few drops of coconut oil to create a paste, which can be less abrasive and provides added moisture. Trick number 2. Heartburn and indigestion relief. If you experience occasional heartburn or indigestion, you may have noticed that many over-the-counter antacids contain baking soda as a key ingredient. This is because our bodies naturally produce bicarbonate, similar to baking soda, to neutralize excess stomach acid. Baking soda's high pH can quickly counteract stomach acid, providing relief from heartburn symptoms. When you consume a small amount of baking soda mixed with water, it acts as an immediate acid neutralizer. This effect is particularly helpful for those who prefer a natural, accessible alternative to common pharmacy antacids. In fact, some studies suggest that, when taken in moderate amounts, baking soda can be a fast and reliable solution to control mild to moderate acid reflux. However, it's essential to use the correct amount and consult your healthcare provider if you're not sure about the dosage, as taking too much can lead to a rebound effect, where your stomach produces more acid after the neutralizing effect wears off. This is why it's important to stick to the recommended dosages and avoid relying on baking soda as a long-term solution for chronic acid reflux. Recommended dosage. For adults and teens, half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water every 2 hours can help alleviate symptoms. For children or if you have any dietary restrictions, it's best to consult a doctor. Additionally, those over the age of 60 should avoid consuming more than 1.5 teaspoons daily, as too much sodium can have side effects. Trick number 3. Skin allergy treatment. Baking soda isn't just great for internal health, it can also work wonders for your skin. If you're dealing with mild skin irritations or allergic reactions, baking soda combined with coconut oil can provide soothing relief. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps to balance the skin's pH, which is often out of balance in cases of allergies or irritation. Additionally, baking soda has mild anti-inflammatory properties, which can help calm redness, itchiness, and swelling associated with skin allergies. Coconut oil, on the other hand, is well known for its hydrating and anti-inflammatory qualities, making it an ideal partner for baking soda in this homemade remedy. Together, these two ingredients form a soothing paste that not only relieves symptoms but can also help the skin recover faster. How to make the paste. Combine 4 tablespoons of baking soda with 12 tablespoons of coconut oil in a clean, dry container. Mix until you achieve a thick, creamy consistency. Apply a small amount of the paste to the affected area using a cotton ball or clean hands, leaving it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing with cold water. If coconut oil isn't available, you can substitute it with an equal amount of water. As with any home remedy, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's wise to consult a dermatologist. Trick number 4. Athletic performance supplement. It might surprise you, but baking soda is also a proven supplement for enhancing athletic performance. During high-intensity workouts, lactic acid builds up in muscles, leading to what we commonly refer to as the burn. This acid buildup can cause muscle fatigue, limiting endurance and performance. Baking soda helps buffer that acid, allowing athletes to push through their workouts longer and with greater intensity. Studies have shown that baking soda, when consumed in the right amounts, can help delay muscle fatigue by neutralizing lactic acid in the bloodstream. The recommended dose is around 0.3 grams of baking soda per kilogram of body weight. For a 70 kilograms person, that's about 21 grams. Most people find this dosage effective if consumed 60 to 90 minutes before exercise. How to take it? Mix the baking soda in water, breaking it into smaller doses if needed to avoid side effects like stomach discomfort. Some athletes split the dose into 2 parts, taking 0.2 grams per kilogram 2 hours before the activity and the remaining 0.1 gram 1 hour before. Although this may not be a common supplement, it's backed by research showing its positive impact on performance, especially in endurance sports. Trick number 5. Sunburn treatment. Baking soda's gentle exfoliating properties make it an excellent treatment for mild sunburns. When applied to burned skin, it can help remove dead cells and soothe irritation, promoting faster healing and a more even skin tone. Unlike harsh scrubs, baking soda is gentle enough to use on sensitive, sun-damaged skin. Option 1. Baking soda paste. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 5 tablespoons of water to form a paste. Gently apply it to the sunburned areas and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing with cool water. This method can help alleviate the sting of the burn and make the skin feel softer and more refreshed. Option 2. Baking soda bath. If the sunburn is more extensive, a baking soda bath may be more practical. Fill a tub with cool water and add a 1/4 cup of baking soda, soaking the affected area for 30 minutes. The baking soda will cleanse and soothe the skin, while the cool water helps to reduce inflammation and discomfort. Make sure to moisturize after bathing, as baking soda can be drying for some skin types. Note: as with any skin treatment, avoid using baking soda on open wounds or severe burns. If you experience worsening symptoms or prolonged redness, consult a healthcare provider. And there you have it, 5 incredible and scientifically backed ways to use baking soda that go far beyond the basics. Whether you're looking for a natural deodorant, relief for heartburn, a skin allergy treatment, a workout boost, or a soothing remedy for sunburn, baking soda has you covered. Remember to always use it responsibly, and consult a doctor if you have any concerns about dosage or skin sensitivity. Leave a comment below to let us know which trick you're most excited to try, and if you have any other uses for baking soda, share them with us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more practical, science-backed health tips that can make a difference in your everyday life.